Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This meeting is continuing the material from the last meeting, and the today's meeting is understanding WASPEC. In the last meeting, we have studied how tests impact to the language classroom, especially in students' attitude or teacher attitude. And here we will study WASPEC. So WASPEC, what is meant by WASPEC? WASPEC means that tests can influence teaching and learning. Yeah, it's almost the same. Impact and WASPEC is almost the same, but the level of impact here is bigger than WASPEC. This is my conclusion, because impact has the influence, test influence in the whole students and teachers activity form in their psychological condition in learning and in their activity until the activity outside the assessment or outside the formal class. So in WASPEC here means that tests can influence teaching and learning, so it is limited in teaching and learning process. Okay, and it can be positive WASPEC and it can be negative WASPEC. The positive WASPEC is encountered when test tasks require the same authentic interactive language use promoted in the classroom, so that there is a match between what is taught and what is tested. Positive WASPEC. For example, if in the classroom we have the same discussion, we have the same material, and the material in the assessment in teaching learning process is tested in the test, and then it is positive WASPEC because authentic, interactive. Yeah, so there is a line between the the syllabus. Okay, between the syllabus, then teaching learning process and the test plan, process and evaluation is in the same line. And the negative here happens or occurs when there is a discrepancy between the goals of instruction and the focus of testing. So the discrepancy often happen as stated in the syllabus or curriculum and the focus of testing. Yeah, so there are a difference. Yeah, so what happened in the syllabus and teaching learning process and test, sometimes one of them has different material, so it is negative WASPEC. And what happened with student when this is happen, and what happened with the teacher when this is happen? Automatically students will feel difficult to do the test. This is automatically. And the test itself, the WASPEC of the test itself has impacted to the learner's psychological condition during the teaching learning process. This is the point. This is just the point. In this material, we have many examples of activity in the field. Okay, then the activity here, we do not want to explain it any deeper, because it just it just something happened in the reality, and it's just one example. Okay, firstly I need to explain one example of this in the last that we often familiar with. This one. Okay, I will explain this. In a study comparing TOEFL preparation classes with non-TOEFL classes, Alderson and Hampton found the following. Okay, so Alderson and Hamslian here do an observation during the TOEFL classes. Students and teachers both know that there will be a test. So the teaching learning in the classroom here is directed to pass the test. So what happened? First, test taking is much more common in TOEFL classes. TOEFL classes are somewhat more routines. This is the observation result. There is much more laughter in non-TOEFL classes. Teachers talk more and students have less time in TOEFL classes. There is less turn taking and turns are somewhat longer in TOEFL classes. So in TOEFL classes here, usually just like what we have, usually the teachers talk and the students do. Teachers explain, students do. There is no turn taking conversation like other classes. And this is learn the language. Much less time is spent on pair work, so it is individual work. The TOEFL is referred to much more in TOEFL classes. Meta language is used much more in TOEFL classes. Okay, so what is the conclusion? Can you draw from them? How is WASPEC situated in the study? Write your thoughts in the space below, and when you finish, compare your answer with that provided in the indicative answer section. Okay, what do you think? You can write your conclusion here. That is the point of this material, WASPEC. The influence in classes, in teaching learning process. If there are so many materials here, it is about what the students feel, for example, the reflection, and so on and so on. I think the main point is here. The main point is here. I summarize it for you. So you can fill in this blank here. What is positive feedback? Give example and explain the example. What is negative feedback? Example. Explain example. How can positive feedback can be reinforced? You can draw the conclusion here. This is the example. It's the same thing. Okay, class. However, this is the main point of this material. We need to study it more and more, to read this again and again, to make us better, to get a better understanding of this material. See you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.